Okay, so thank you for your taking time off from your busy schedule to attend this first quarterly workshop.
So very easily, what I can do is I can go into the move request function, and I can start assigning a workstation to them, just simply by dragging and dropping.
But imagine you're 20, 50 or 100. It's a bit tedious. So what you can do is we come up features called auto allocate.
Just to clarify, right, Woon Jie is an actual person. He's not an AI AI bot. Just ask a very simple question. You click on the button, it will bring you there.
So we've decided to place ours next to the toilet.
Yeah.
Okay, our toilet's here. Don't ask.
One device can do so many things. Then you have more information. So that will become the game changer in the future.
Yeah.
So this is a indoor air quality sensor, which is a monitor 9-in-1. Then here is this sound sensor to detect whether the noise, within the environment.